everyone, it's Sumi. Today we're going to be making palak khichdi or spinach khichdi, which is an extremely simple and flavorful dish, and it's perfect as we transition into fall from summer. You only need a few ingredients to make this soothing and delicious dish, so let's get cooking. We're going to start by rinsing 1 cup of yellow moong dal and 1 cup of white sona masoori rice. You can also use white basmati rice under cold running water until the water runs clear. This is to get rid of any excess starch and impurities. And once it's been thoroughly rinsed, we're going to soak our rice and lentil mixtures in water till it's ready for use. We're now setting a pot on medium-high heat. Once the pot is hot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. We're using refined coconut oil to mimic the texture of ghee, but you can also use sunflower oil. Adding 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 4 cloves, 4 2-inch Ceylon cinnamon sticks. You can also use Cassia cinnamon, but Ceylon is more traditional and has more medicinal properties. And we're also adding 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. And we're going to mix and cook this until the ginger turns to a golden brown color. We're then going to add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and cook this for around 10 to 15 seconds, followed by half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, and we're going to give this a couple of seconds as well, before we add in our rinsed, soaked, and strained rice and lentil mixture. We're going to mix all of this really well till the turmeric is evenly incorporated. And we're going to toast the rice and lentils in the oil for around 2 to 3 minutes, at which point we're going to add in around 6 cups of hot water. We're adding hot water so the mixture comes to a boil easily. This is not traditional, but we're also adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala for some extra flavor. It just works really well with the spinach and tomatoes that we're going to add later. And we're going to mix all of this till it comes to a boil. Once our mixture starts bubbling away, we're going to reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 30 minutes. We also like to check around the 15-minute mark to see if there's enough water and to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot and give it a good scrape. It's been 30 minutes and our rice and dal look perfect. As you can see, they're completely cooked and have the perfect porridge-like consistency. We're now adding 1 cup of roughly chopped spinach leaves and adding 1 more cup of water for the perfect khichdi consistency because it will start to thicken as it cooks. Adding half a cup of roughly chopped tomatoes, and we're going to give this a nice mix as well. And we're going to cook our khichdi with the spinach and tomatoes for around 5 minutes so the tomatoes break down and the spinach completely wilts. We're then going to salt to taste and cook for 2 more minutes on low heat. This is an extremely yummy khichdi that's loved by both children and adults and just perfect as we go into the colder months. I have a few other khichdi videos as well if you'd like to check them out. And please like and subscribe for more such easy vegan Indian dishes, and I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye!